at it again with the black man. Check them things on out. All right. So today's video, we got the 350Z gas pedal going into the 240Z. Okay. So where I got this thing from, I ordered on Rock Auto. So if you need a 350Z gas pedal, check it out there. That's where I found it to be the cheapest at. Or you can get one at your junkyard, or just steal one off of Steven's car if you ever see him. Come with me, come with me. And just to plug this in real quick, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. We got this 240Z to 350Z pedal adapter. So I got this from Zammy MFG. You just look them up on Etsy. So if you do have a 240Z, you can get this adapter and put it in, and it'll allow you to use a 350Z gas pedal. Only if you have the wiring specialties harness and using the drive-by-wire system. You can't just plug this joint on in and it work like that. All right, so we already got this up in there. All you're gonna do is connect these two holes. See, it already comes factory meant for it. And it's just gonna go in like that. Boom, look at that, look at that, look at that. Simple bolts. Not really that complicated at all. Just putting it in, and it's really that simple. I will say I am happy I did do the wiring specialties harness. It is most definitely worth the money. So if you've been on the fence or thinking about getting one, I say just do it, because it saves you plug and play, and you're not figuring all this stuff out later down the line. Take the hassle out of it. So just go ahead. Nope, I'm not sponsored by them, but if y'all do want to sponsor me, I'll do. And also, if Vans, check them out. If Vans want to sponsor me and give me some new work shoes, I'll take them too. You know, $1 a day to help me buy a new pair of Vans. Look at that. That's it, man. Yeah, so that thing is in and installed. Check that out. All right. Brake pedal. Need to bleed the clutch next, but it's in there. They look a little crooked, but it'll work. I mean, it don't get much better than that, really. You can tighten that down too. That's it. Only bad thing is, what I say about some cars is, when you wear a size 12 shoe or have anything over a size 12 shoe, it is hard to hit on some of these like small ass pedals. So I don't know if anyone else has larger feet like myself.